Hello, this is Josh Kim with Curricular Computing. Welcome to our workshop on getting rich media into your course. The goal of this workshop is to discuss some of the best uses of rich media so that you can meet your educational goals and play to your strengths as an educator. I also hope that we'll go over some of the tools and techniques so that you'll be ready to add rich media to your course. When we talk about rich media, we usually think about video and video clips. And video is incredibly important in invoking an emotional response in your students to facilitate some real learning. Videos can also be a wonderful discussion starter, and it's becoming increasingly easy to put video and video clips into your course. We'll also talk about some other rich media, for instance doing voiceover presentations, so that your students can preview your lecture material before coming to class, so that you can spend precious class time having discussions and debates. We'll also talk about screencasting so that you can show your students websites or applications you're trying to teach them. And we'll also talk about video messages such as this, done with a webcam and YouTube, where it's much faster than talking and much more immediate and intimate and very, very easy to get into your course. I'm looking forward to working with all of you.